Welcome back to Seagull's Mazda 323 channel, and I'm going to update you here because the mechanical fuel pump that Big Gully ordered is wrong, and clearly we can see why. There's your original, there's the aftermarket. Plumbing is totally wrong, not to mention everything else. So I'm gonna have to use the gaskets that came with it, trace around the original spacer to put this one back on. Now, fortunately I reconditioned this and gave it a good clean. It seems to be totally fine, it just needed a good clean. I am gonna go try and get the right part though, because I don't know how long that's gonna last, especially the way that Big Gully drives. Now, I'll just have to make it work, I guess. I swear to God, I just do it just to piss him off, eh? Well, it's all back together, and it's running and sounding a hell of a lot better. Nothing's leaking. Just a recon and back in it went. Good old Japanese parts. So, now that the correct part has arrived, we're going to put this in and switch out the original mechanical fuel pump. Right, the new one's in. It's correct. It's looking good. There's the old one. Pretty shagged. So it was definitely time to be replaced. It had let go in the last week while I was waiting for the correct part to turn up. Look at that. The new pump's in. Big Seagull, you've done it again. Your mechanical tips. Beautiful. Now Big Gully, just hold it together, alright mate? Because track day's coming up. And you got some bloody civics to chop. Righto, so once again that was the original part there. It only lasted another week, just enough for the new part, the correct part, to turn up. So PEC Australia, thank you very much for your help. Auto Surplus, you can lick my bowl, because you weren't any help. And I got other things to do as well, because track day's coming, and I got civics to chop.